Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen Jen.
And we're back to do another recipe.
Yes, today we have sticky soy sauce drumettes. And these are outstanding. These were sent in by my Aunt Jerry in California. And
I love her. She is so funny.
I know. And she's a great cook. She's always making yummy, delicious meals for
us.
Hi,
Jerry.
Hi, Aunt Jerry. And so we're going to do this. And we are getting more and more recipes online every day. And we're going to start doing some of those. We've been going through the friends and family list. And now we're getting into some more people that keep submitting them. And there's some really good recipes coming. So we look forward to doing those recipes. So today we've got a couple pans here. We've got a cast iron skillet, and then we've got another pan to do our sauce. So the first thing you're going to want to do is first off have your drumettes. I've got 2 packages of drumettes here, and the drumettes are basically your little wings without the little pointy wing. So this is just the meaty part of the wing. So I've got a cast iron skillet that we've been heating up here and getting ready, and I'm going to have Sheila add some oil to that. And you want to add,
a little bit?
Yeah, quite a bit, because you're gonna want to fry up these drumettes. Probably, about 4 or 5 tablespoons to start with. That's pretty good. So basically the whole bottom of the pan is covered. So I've got the oven preheated to 375, and while that's preheating, we're gonna go ahead and start dipping these drumettes into the flour. And you're just gonna take these and put them in this hot skillet that she's added this oil in. And I've already had one in here. It's going to start frying up. And I'm going to get these cooking and load up this pan as much as possible while I make the sauce. But you can add a little bit more oil.
Okay.
You just want to cover the bottom of the pan. You don't want too much. You're just going to try and brown these up. So
you might need some more oil. So I've got it handy.
That's right. Looks like it's all going to fit in this cast iron skillet too. A little bit right there. There you go. All right. And we're going to let that fry up, and we're going to work on the sauce. Okay, so while that is frying up, we're going to make the sauce in this pan. And I've already got this kind of preheated. And now this doesn't have to be really, really hot, but we just want it hot enough that's going to melt this brown sugar. So what we've got here is soy sauce. And you're going to want to use this whole bottle. And then we're going to want to add a ½ cup of white wine, cooking wine, ½ cup. You're going to want to add a ½ cup of just regular Hunt's ketchup, whatever brand you like. I've got Hunt's here, so I've got Hunt's ketchup. I'm going to stir that up. How are they looking, Sheila?
Looking good.
Okay.
Let me flip one.
You can flip one and see if it was brown yet. Okay. Yeah, that's looking good. Yeah. If they're brown like that, you can go ahead and flip over and get the other side. All right. And I've got this on low. Now, you're going to want to add in some ginger, and this is about a teaspoon of ginger. So, and the reason why I'm heating this up is so all this will melt into the sauce. And also about a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Sounds good already.
It is. This is a really, really great sauce. And you could do this on ribs. You can do this on pork chops, all kinds of stuff. And it's a really great sauce. Like the country style spare ribs. You can use this sauce on
really
meatballs. It works great for meatballs. In fact, I know my mom has made them with meatballs, I believe, before. So then I'm going to add 2 cups of dark brown sugar. And we're going to want to stir that in. And, it's kind of clumpy, so just make sure it's kind of loosened up as you're putting it in there. I kind of loosened it up when I was putting it in this glass dish, but sometimes it gets kind of clumpy together. So I've added all the ingredients in. And I have it on low, and we're just going to stir that up. So you can see, got those all golden brown. Both sides are cooked. And as they get real dark brown like that, we're going to start putting them into the other pan. So it usually takes about 20 minutes for this to cook like this. So go ahead, as they turn brown, we're just going to put them in we sprayed this dish with Pam, and we're just going to put them in there, move some of these ones that aren't quite done yet to the middle to cook up, because it's hotter in the middle. The middle's in the middle.
Yeah, middle's in the middle.
Steve would always say, the middle's in the middle.
Oh. He'd say that about every day.
I know he did it in every show. He'd have some...
So where do you want us to stand? In the middle, in the middle?
The middle's in the middle, he'd say. So, now that we have them all in the dish, you're going to take half of this, and you're going to put half of the sauce and drizzle it over the chicken. And you're just going to drizzle it over. So good.
Yeah, like Jen said, we need to put this in the oven.
And we're going to bake it for about 20 minutes.
Okay, and then flip it over.
Yeah, we're going to flip it over, and then we're going to add the remainder of this sauce.
It's going to be good.
It is. And then we're going to put it in there approximately another 20 minutes or so. You just kind of have to test. Depends on your oven and how fast your oven cooks. So
Just according if I paid the bill yet today.
Yeah, it depends on if Sheila's paid the electric bill. That'll determine how long this cooks. So we're back, and we just got this out of the oven. It was on 375. We had it on for 20 minutes. We flipped it over, and we realized there was enough sauce in this that we didn't really need to add anymore. Yeah, I mean, that was plenty of sauce. So you probably don't need to make as much sauce. You could probably cut that down a little bit for this amount of chicken. Now, if you've got more chicken, you could obviously make more sauce. So we flipped them over. We cooked them for another 20 minutes, and they're done, and they look absolutely delicious. So serve us up, Shishi.
All right,
Let's try them out.
Me one.
See, I don't know if you probably have to set it down in order to pick it up to eat it, because these are going to get messy.
My
All right.
favorite part. This is where we can eat.
Mmm, yummy.
Ready?
Here we go. Ready?
Right.
Mmm. Oh my gosh. Those are so good and so tender. Oh my gosh, aren't they good?
Yeah. Jerry is really, she's outdone herself.
I know. My Aunt Jerry has got it going on. She makes these, and these are so good. You got to try these. Oh, good. Messy, but good. So you could try this out with our rice pilaf with the sticky drumettes, and it would be a fabulous meal. And put some vegetable with it, and I think your whole family would really enjoy this.
Can I finish this?
Sure, you go right on ahead. I'll
tell
them what else is going on.
I got 3 more here to go.
There's quite a bit to go here, so hey, please don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe.
subscribe. You can't say it because you're eating. Subscribe. We appreciate you supporting our channel, and don't forget to share your recipes with us. And if this is not the best sticky soy sauce drumettes, if it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
I'm gonna eat some more.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
Is this thing even on? It ain't even plugged in. She didn't even have it plugged in. Plug that thing in.
Smelling?
The oven.
Oh.
We preheated the oven.
This goes with something.
I go, why is this not getting hot? I'm like, I know.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I'll listen to you.
Hi.
Do it.
You say hi. Say hi.
Sissy Drumettes.
No, say hi.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen. You gonna let me say it?
And. Okay. Hi, this is Sheila.
What's in your water bottle?
What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
What's in your wallet?
What's in your water bottle? Definitely not water. Okay.
Okay.
But we've got a bunch of recipes that have been submitted by. That's easy for me to say. We've got a bunch of recipes that have been. I still can't say it. She's making fun of me because it's usually the opposite. She's the one that can't say it. Okay.
I never could say it.
I know. This is what happens. We get to giggling. Okay.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.